Today we have two brand new premium foam cannon kits. This one is a JWGJW Snow Foam Cannon and Lance. It's some knockoff Chinese brand. This is $20.80 on Amazon. And then in this box, I have the MTM Hydro Professional Premium Magnum 28 spray gun and foam cannon kit. So let's unbox them first and see what they look like quality-wise. I'll start with the Chinese knockoff. It even tells you, quite frankly here, made in China. I don't have a fancy unboxing knife like I just seen, but that's okay. So the Chinese kit, you get everything wrapped in this very lovely quality plastic. Right off the bat, it says max 200 bar, 3000 psi. Let's see, we have quick connect there. Not bad. I mean, so we got the handle. We have a pressure nozzle. No, we have the cap for the bottle. We have the bottle, obviously. Immediately the threads don't line up very well, but we managed to get it on there. Comes with a complimentary expanding sponge. Please, if you learn nothing else from this video, do not touch your car or anybody you love's car with this sponge. Oh, you have to install the hose yourself. Let me unscrew this again. To install the hose yourself. Okay, the bottle's ready. Let's see kind of how the... Not great quality, but wiggles around a little bit. Okay, there's no connection for this, so hopefully it fits on the pressure washer. Let's throw all that down and see what the difference between a $20 kit and a $150 kit is. The MTM states that it will pump between 1100 and 5000 psi. That's 1.8 to 5.3 gallons per minute. The MTM kit, immediately, high quality bubble wrap. Oh, that made my ear ring. That is actually high quality. That's a better quality gun. You can tell right off the bat. This one's very nicely crafted with ball bearings. This one is more of like a pressure retention. It's not a surprise, but this is much heavier. So this gives you the same as the Chinese knockoff. This gives you the adjustable positions and you know, dials at the top. So then of course we would install the bottle. The bottle does install a lot easier than the Chinese one. It's almost like it's meant to go together, if you know what I mean. Comes with tremendously more hardware than the Chinese kit does. Essentially, once you install both those, you have the ability to then connect them like that. That did go together a lot easier than the Chinese one. That's enough desk time. Let's go outside and see how these things perform. The official measuring cup is gonna be this funnel. Basically just gonna fill the funnel up. That's a lot, actually. And then we'll just dump it. Oh God, it's been a catastrophe already. Obviously this is the MTM, as we talked about earlier, the good one. This is the Chinese bottle. Plan is we're going to start with the MTM cannon. I'm thinking we'll divide it by the front and rear door, meaning the MTM cannon will do the front of the truck and the Chinese knockoff $20 cannon will do the rear of the truck. On both cannons we'll have the foam delivery device turned to all the way, and we're going to have the width of spray all the way closed to its smallest operation. So nothing else to do now but get to it. We'll be using the Leno's Garage car wash for both, so it's you know, consistent results. This truck's been sitting out at the in the dirt for about 4 days. As you can see, it's pretty disgusting. So let's just see what happens. even using the maximum settings, we really didn't use very much of the foam cannon at all. And with the Chinese knockoff, we got it all the way up. The interesting thing about this is it actually closes all the way. So I'm gonna start here. If it's a complete catastrophe, I'll open it just slightly. So let's see how the Chinese knockoff compares. Oh. Okay, so when it's closed all the way, let's open it a little bit. See, it's interesting, where we just sprayed over here on the tailgate almost has less soap on it than where we used the MTM a couple of moments ago. So it's appearing that the MTM cannon delivers a richer, higher quality foam. Also, this cannon is also about halfway out already, whereas the MTM still holds about 75% of its liquid. So I think it's safe to say thus far that the MTM is the winner, but we'll shoot this one all the way out and see how it performs through the end of the test. Some foam left. I'm gonna open both all the way up and see how it operates. Oh my God, that's like a super soaker. So if you ever go into a super soaker or a water fight kind of hall of shame, but you want people to stay clean, you can use one of these to shoot the foam quite a distance. So guys, that is the test concluded. It's really interesting to see that even though we used the same amount of soap, the same type of soap, and the same exact amount of water, how much better that the MTM actually did perform. Even though essentially everything was the same, I'm not sure what it is with the mechanics in the MTM, but it was an incredible difference between it and the Chinese knockoff. The Chinese knockoff, well, it did produce foam. It was a very runny, untextured, you know, kind of pointless type of foam, while the MTM delivered a rich, creamy, and sticky foam that really stuck to the vehicle and kept it clean. In fact, you can still see the remnants of, you know, we used the MTM cannon to clean the rest of the truck, and even after I pulled it away, we still have quite a considerable amount of foam left over from the MTM. So that's going to conclude this product test. Guys, if you're in the market for the most elite foam cannon, I would check out the MTM for sure. You know, money doesn't buy happiness, but it does buy a clean car. And when you're talking about your pride and joy, I wouldn't skimp and use anything that even hints at being a Chinese knockoff. Thanks for watching, guys. If you did enjoy the video, please leave a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. We do all kinds of detailing tests and reviews. So if you like it, stick around and we'll see you next video.
Ryan Little. Yoga.